નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn subject environment, standard 3rd, unit 1. Do you see the name over here? The chapter name is What Did Poonam See? So this is the chapter regarding the Poonam. Let's have a look. Let's start reading. Poonam was at home. She was sick. Ma, please let me go to school today. So Poonam was sick, right? And that's why she is at home. And she is requesting to her mother that she wants to go to school. I have been at home for the past 2 days. She is at home for 2 days and that's why she wants to go to school. And why she wants to go to school? Because she is getting bored. She says, I am getting bored. Right? So what did Poonam says? Poonam says that she wants to go to school because she is not going to school for 2 days as Poonam was sick. Let's start reading. You still have fever. Go outside and lie down on the cot, replied Ma. So what did her mother reply? No. Don't go to school because you still have fever. Right? Fever means sick. Bukharana. Right? So you still have fever. And what her mother says? Go outside and lie down on the cot. So what did her mother says? That you just go outside. Why outside? Because it is greenery over there, it is fresh air and she will feel good. That's why her mother says that beta go outside, lie down on the cot and have a rest. Now Poonam went outside. Right? Where did Poonam go? Poonam went outside. She fell asleep on the cot. She fell asleep means she goes to sleep. Suddenly, something fell on her face. What happened? Suddenly, something fell on her face, right? Because she is sleeping outside. That's why. Poonam woke up at once. What did Poonam do? Poonam woke up. Why? Why Poonam woke up? Because suddenly something fell on her face. And that's why Poonam woke up. At once. At once means ऐसे चौक के उठ जाते हैं ना हम, कुछ भी हमारे ऊपर गिरता है तो हम कैसे शॉक होके उठ जाते हैं, ऐसे ही Poonam she get woke up at once and touch her cheek. You know what fell on her cheek? Oh no, whose mischief is this? Is it crows or of pigeons? It seems it's of crows, right? उसको शॉक लगा कि क्या गिरा, और वो भी कहाँ पे गिरा था? चीक पे, राइट? सो शी जस्ट गेट शॉक्ड एंड शी थिंक्स हु हैज़ डन मिसचिफ, यानी कि किसने ऐसे शैतानी की? ओह मे बी इट्स क्रो और अ पीजियन, बिकॉज क्रो और पीजियन ही बाहर होते हैं ना, दैट्स वाई. एंड शी थिंक्स while touching she feels no, maybe it seems it's of crow, right? Now can you able to see picture over here? Yes, this is the picture where the Poonam is sleeping down and she is sleeping under the tree, right? And there are many animals, birds, right? Can you identify which animal is this? This is monkey. Very good. Okay, can you able to identify which bird is this? Very good. This is crow. Which bird is this? Excellent. This is pigeon. Who is there? Look at over here. Oh, this is squirrel. Wow, what a wonderful butterfly over here. Which bird is this? This is cuckoo. Which bird is this? Sparrow. Oh, look at over here, hiding behind the leaf. Which bird is this? Parrot. Very good. Can you able to see how many butterflies are there in the tree? One, two. So there are two butterflies in the tree. Look at over here, a very small. What is this? Come on, let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. What is this little one? This is ant. So, just have a look on the picture and identify by it yourself and do it by yourself. Poonam looked up. She saw many animals on the tree. Have you seen in the tree before we discussed? Yes, so that is the tree where the Poonam is sleeping under the tree. Now write down their names. You can write it in your rough book or over here also. Now see the activity over here. Think and write. Okay, don't write it by yourself. Write down the names of the birds which you have seen. Over here, you have to write down the birds which you have seen in our surroundings, at your home, at your papa's office, or at your mama's school, or at your playground, school playground, or in the garden. So list it down, the name of the birds which you have seen, right? Can you able to understand what I am saying? Which you have seen means not in the tree we discussed before, not over here, right? Not this one. You have to write it down, the birds which you see outside and which you know. Okay, so I think this you can able to do it by yourself. Let's start with the other portion. Let's start reading. Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground and wiped her cheek with it. Right? What did Poonam do? Poonam picked up a leaf from the ground because she is sleeping outside and that's why she picked up the leaf. And wiped यानी कि पोंछना, राइट? अपने चीक को वो क्या कर रही है? पोंछती है. किससे? With the leaf. But her cheek was still sticky. Oh my God. She wiped, but still the cheek is very sticky. She thought, oh, let me go and wash my face in the nearby pond. Can you able to see here a pond? So a pond is near to Poonam's house, and that's why she thinks that let me go near to the pond and wash my face. It is better idea, right? Now let's have a look on this picture. Now can you able to see the animals over here? Which animal is this? Yes, this is goat. Which animal is this? Buffalo. Oh my God, here you can see a tortoise also. Oh wow, a frog over here. I think there are two frogs and one is jumping, right? Can you able to see? Hopping, right? So what is Poonam doing? Poonam is washing her face, right? So just have a look of this picture because you have to answer below, that's why. Now let's go for the further. Which animals did Poonam see at the pond? Right. What did Poonam see over here? Which animals Poonam see? So you have to list it down over here. Right? Very good students. So I think this activity you can do it by yourself also. Now let's go further. There are some questions over here. Try to answer it. Can you act like the animal seen at the pond? Yes, obviously. I think you can make the noise of goat, buffalo, right? So this is a very good question that you can easily answer it. So you need to act like an animals which you have seen on at the pond. What kind of sounds and movements these animals make? I think everybody knows what kind of sound buffalo makes, what kind of sound frog makes, what kind of sound goat makes, right? So this you can do it, and it's I think a very fun activity. So I think everybody should do this. Now try to make similar sounds and movements of birds and animals, right? Different animals move in different ways to go from one place to other. This is very true, kids. Do you know? Every animal does not walk like a same, because some have four legs, some have two legs, right? If kangaroo is there, then kangaroo jumps, right? And if tiger is there, then tiger walks. Some animal walks like dog, right? Some crawl, some fly, some animals swim, and some animals hop. Okay, so I think you can answer the animals which you have seen walk. You can also answer the animal which you have seen crawl. So this is very easy activity. Now let's go with the further one. Think and write habitats of animal, right? So you have to think, maybe you can find in the Google or somewhere else. So just think and write. Lives in burrow. Who lives in burrow? Everybody can answer, I think. Squirrel. Yes, there are many animals which lives in burrow. So you have to write it down over here, right? Who lives in nest? You have to list it down over here. Who lives in house? You have to write it down over here. The animals which lives in house. And the animals which lives in water, you have to write it down over here. So I think first you do this activity by yourself, by finding in the book, or by taking the help of the Google, or by taking the help of your parents, and then we will discuss later on which animals lives in the burrow, which animals lives in the nest, which animals lives in the house, and which animals lives in the water. This we will discuss in the next session. Try to find out. Okay. For joining us, students.